Shubor nakaslem jong Nongshna Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla kondet ke sangma menda kesing ke arpuai tere unai tung arajar arpulai. Ulah pelat ya ke poster jong ke Phlim Rapture ke belasna do wei Nongshna Phlim balapau ke Jylla Dominic Megam sangma. Habakren bikilat pathai kubor Menteri Rangba ulai tu bau Dominic lalit bani kendo ya u. Mat ha ni ke jinga kendo Dominic ulai tu ba ke Phlim ke jong u kelasyak jit ha ke Locarno Film Festival ha Switzerland. Nak yang Menteri Rangba ulah penpau ke Jingkyrshan dah ke ba ru ya ke Jingkyrshan baru loong bau Dominic un ai mensim ru iki wei ki Nongshna Phlim bakin poish ke ni ke thong ban pau khmat shabari dah ke Jingtri shitong. Shushu Menteri Rangba loong ru ba ke Sorkar kan ai Jingkyrshan ni ke Nongshna Phlim ki badan hapo ke Jylla dah ke ba ai ki Jingkyrshan Phlim pat ban Sdang te ki senama hamanna ki Distrik shaban kut ke samoi trikam.
Mr. Dominic is one of the directors who is quite well known, and his movie has been selected for one film festival in Switzerland, where we hope that he will win in his category. So he had come to my office to share this news and also to request me to unveil the poster for the movie, and I wish him the very best. And whatever support we can give from our side, we'll obviously support. And he is, of course, a source of encouragement for other filmmakers. That if people like Dominic can, be in the international arena by sheer hard work and commitment, I'm sure that other filmmakers also can. And I really encourage other filmmakers also to follow his footsteps. And at the same time, we are also working, as you're aware, towards having some kind of policy where I have announced in my budget that we'll be giving funds to local filmmakers so that they can start making movies. They're requiring equipments. So we're looking into all those aspects. At the same time, we are also working towards setting up cinema halls in different parts of the state. In every district, we expect that we should be able to put up a cinema hall in every district by the end of the term. And this we feel will really help the local filmmakers. And apart from that, we are also making it a point that the film fair, the movie awards, and the film festival, will be something that we will try to continue, so that our people can be exposed and learn more about filmmaking, because we feel that the filmmaking industry has a huge potential in our state, and we have not been able to really capture it.